Hello everyone. Today in this lesson we are going to learn about Korean alphabets, that is Hangul. Most of the people are thinking that learning Korean is difficult. No, it's not like that. See, leave out Korean language. If you are taking any other language, if you are reading for the first time, obviously it will feel difficult because you never studied that subject, right? The same way. So here you have to do more practice. It will make you easy to understand. Okay, for Korean, you have to know the rules and writing method. If you know that, obviously you can able to read any word that written in Hangul, and even you can able to write any word. Okay, in Korean there are 40 alphabets are there. 10 basic vowels, 11 combined vowels, and 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. So there are 40 alphabets are there. Okay. First we are going to learn about basic vowels. So as I told earlier, there are 10 basic vowels are there. Okay. Let's take a look at the first vowel, which sound as A. A. See, for Korean, the writing method is really important. Okay, so how you have to write A is, first you need to draw a line from top to bottom. Okay, then left to right, top to bottom, then left to right. That is A. Just you need to draw a line from top to bottom, then left to right. A. A. It makes sound like car. Car. A. Car. Okay. Next vowel is A. A. For this, you need to draw a line from left to right, then top to bottom. Left to right, then top to bottom. Okay. Just practice once again. Left to right, then top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom. A. A. It makes sound like umbrella. A. Umbrella. Okay, fine. The next sound is Ya. Ya. Already you know that A, just you need to add one more line. That's it. That's Ya. For this, you need to draw first line from top to bottom, then left to right and left to right. Ya. 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 Okay, just practice. Top to bottom, you need to draw first line, then left to right, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, then left to right. It makes sound like yarn. 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 Okay, got it? Okay, we'll see next vowel, that is Ya. Ya. You already know about A. Just you need to add one line extra. That's it. Ya. Here you need to write first left to right, then left to right, then top to bottom. For Ya, you just need to draw one line from left to right, then on below that you need to draw one more line left to right, then top to bottom one line. Left to right, then top to bottom. Left to right, then top to bottom. It makes sound like yummy. Ya. Yummy. Okay. The next one is O. It's not like English O, it's just O. For this, you need to draw a line from top to bottom, then on left to right, top to bottom, left to right. Just practice along with me. Top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right. Okay, so while writing you should be straight line, not like this cross line. It will make sound like oven. Oven. Okay, the next sound is oo. It's not like English u, it's just oo. This you need to draw a line from left to right first, then top to bottom in middle of that line. Okay, left to right, in middle that, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. Ooh. Okay, it makes sound like moon or soon. Ooh sound. Okay, the next one is yo. Earlier we seen about o. Just you need to add one extra line. It will become as a yo. For this you have to draw first one line from top to bottom, then next to that you have to draw one more line from top to bottom, then left to right. Okay, just practice. Top to bottom one line, then next to that one more line top to bottom, then left to right. Yo. It makes sound like yolk. Okay, we'll move to next vowel. Next is u. We already seen about u. Just add one extra line in that, then you will get u. Okay, for this you need to draw first left to right line, then top to bottom, next to that one more top to bottom line. Okay, just practice. Left to right, top to bottom, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, top to bottom. It will make sound like just in English you. The next vowel is u. It's very simple. Just you need to draw one line from left to right. Okay, u. Just practice. Left to right, one line you have to draw. Left to right and left to right. It will make sound like good. Okay, we'll move to next vowel. The next vowel and last vowel is e. Just you need to draw one line from top to bottom. It's not I sound, it makes e sound. Okay, just practice. Top to bottom one line. E. Okay, it makes sounds like meat, seen. Okay, that e sound. So learn about 10 basic vowels. We'll read them once again. A, O, O, U, I, Ya, Yo, Yo, U, E. A, O, U, U, I, Ya, Yo, Yo, U, E. In next video we'll see about combined vowels. Thank you.